Hi, today's video is about how to grow your hair faster using natural remedies, using only Ayurvedic things. One is a curry leaves and jeerakai powder, fenugreek seeds. I have mixed all the three in a bowl. You can blend this using any rose water or with coconut oil. Not with coconut oil, you can use normal water or with rose water. Blend this like a paste. You'll get a paste like this. After blending, you can use this instead of using any shampoo or conditioner. Apply this on your hair like a shampoo and rinse it off with any lukewarm water. You can use any mild conditioner after washing with this. Sure, this will help you to grow your hair faster and prevent hair loss too. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye. Hi, today's video is about how to grow your hair faster using natural remedies, home remedies. Only two ingredients needed. One is a lemon and another one is Indian gooseberry or amla. Okay, first take one lemon and squeeze its juice. I have already taken the juice of this. Okay, then take amla. Take a juice of it, and that I have already taken a juice. Okay, take nearly 2 to 4 tablespoons of gooseberry seed juice and add 1 tablespoon of lime juice into it. Mix this. Okay, apply this mixture on your scalp, including your full hair, and leave to dry for about 30 to 40 minutes and wash it off with a normal water. You can use this 4 to 5 times a week. Sure, this helps you to grow your hair faster and healthier. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye. Hi, today's video is about how to get a long shiny hair and healthy hair too. For that, only two ingredients are needed. One is one egg yolk, and then olive oil. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil into this. Mix this well. You'll get a paste like this. Apply this on your full hair including a scalp and leave to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes and cover your hair with any shower cap and wash it off with cold water. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Sure, you'll get a best result regular using of this only. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow.